And if I'm going to prove that what you thought works so well in ways that you don't quite understand because you're not a statistician or an econometrician, and you have to take it at face value, what are you going to believe? Your gut that tells you that what you've been doing for the last 20 years is really influential, or some egghead academic that's showing you a bunch of equations that you don't understand and is claiming that you're wrong?
This digital advertising issue is just part of a bigger conversation about the power of modern technology companies. For their first few decades, they were pretty much given free rein, but now they are facing scrutiny of the breadth and depth of their power, both seen and unseen. The U.S. government has recently brought major cases against Google and Facebook in what they consider anti-competitive tactics. YouTube, Twitter, and frankly thousands of digital platforms and repositories stand accused of promoting misinformation and or mishandling user information. Given all that, society probably deserves a better answer than a lot of companies pay a lot of money for advertising, so it must work.
I think the question isn't necessarily, do you want an internet with ads or without ads?
That, again, is Tim Horn.
The question is, do you want an internet that's just based on a huge monoculture that's largely funded through ads, where the most powerful companies use ads, and where VCs don't choose to invest if you don't use ads, right? And I humbly suggest, no. The kind of internet that I want to see is an internet that has a bigger diversity of business models, and where ads don't suck all the air out of alternative business models. I just think that's a much more robust market. I think it's a more stable market over time. And I think it's one that leads to much better outcomes socially. And so I think that's my vote, which is an internet that accepts many different ways of making money.